Hi, it's me again, Vargas Landscaping, El Tico. And here at this moment, I'm going to show you how to build the branch structure in Japanese maple. So these videos are is a series of videos about. I want to emphasize more about branch formations in young trees. And trees, they have a real bad canopy shape, like this one here. All the branches are in one side and the rest is empty. So in this tree here, when we finish directing the growth of the branches, so you will see a big difference in the shape of the canopy of the tree. I will see you soon. As you can see here in this Japanese maple tree, we already use a stake the tree, and we pull some of the main branches against those stakes to give the tree a better branch structure, the main branch structure of the tree. So now I'm going to start pruning the tree. I will show you the final result, and probably as soon as I finish doing the right cutting. I will see you soon. I am back. I want to show you the final result of the work here in the Japanese maple. We built up the main branch structure. We direct the growth in the right way. We prune the tree to keep the right size. We want it a little bit taller, so it's a little bit leggy here at the top, but later on it's going to build up in the next 2 years. We're going to build up the nice branch structure on the top. At the bottom, we shape up the tree the best. You saw it before, there was totally offside. Now it's still a little bit weak on that side, but those branches are going to continue growing in there. And it's going to build the heights in here on this side. I missed a little bit of the dead branches in here. I can see it right now, so I want to remove those before I forget. So that side, like I said, that side is a little bit weak, but the tree is going to build up, and it will look in the next 2 years. It's going to look beautiful with a nice canopy, balanced canopy. So I'm hoping that this work help you to form your Japanese maple in your house. Remember, when you get trees from the nursery, most of the time the main branch structure of the tree is not the best. So you need to give it a look and think what I am telling you in here with these trees, and then you need to put a few stakes and direct the growth of those trees, build the main branch structure, so the tree, you will have a better tree in your place, a better canopy shape. So I am hoping that I am helping you a lot with this working here, and I will see you the next time. Hasta la vista, mi amigo.